Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, giant versus beast. Samsung working on a mysterious slim model of the Galaxy S25, slated to launch early next year, to compete against the iPhone 17 Air. On the other hand, various rumors claimed that the iPhone 17 Slim and Galaxy S25 Slim both run into the same issues. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. We have previously heard that the company is working on its thinnest iPhone to date, which will potentially see daylight in the second half of next year. However, Apple's iPhone 17 Air is already gearing up to have some serious competition from Samsung, as it is also working on a Galaxy S25 Slim model, which could be launched alongside the rest of the lineup. SmartPrix has obtained information on Samsung's mysterious device, with a model number of SMS937, which is a version of the Galaxy S25 lineup, but not the one the company typically releases. The model numbers for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra have already been leaked, and the latest model number does not respond to any of them. As for the iPhone 17 Air, we expect an ultra-thin design, but the company recently ran into an issue that limits its approach to achieving the thinness it initially desired. We have previously covered that the company's iPhone 17 Air will be no thinner than the iPhone 6, which launched almost a decade ago. The device is also slated to feature a smaller dynamic island, and the model will replace the iPhone 17 Plus in Apple's iPhone lineup. On the other hand, various rumors claim that the iPhone 17 Slim and Galaxy S25 Slim both run into the same issues. Apple has figured out the motherboard problem, now the issue is bringing down the cost. According to Nava posted, the company tried incorporating new tech for the battery, but due to volume production and other issues, it is sticking with current materials. The end result will be an iPhone 17 Slim that will measure around 6 mm thick. For comparison, the iPhone 16 Plus, the Plus series is getting dropped in favor of the Slim, is 7.8 mm. The Pros are thicker at 8.3 mm. The Slim will reportedly use a new OLED panel that will measure 6.6 inches in size, down from 6.7 inches on the Plus. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo expects the Slim to account for 5 to 10% of iPhone shipments next year. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim will be replacing the S25 F E, and it will be a trial design that could be adopted for the S26 series, if it proves popular, of course. However, Samsung ran into the same issues that Apple did. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.